Spring planting is a great chance to give a young tree an active start with warmth and natural light. It's important to follow the right technique so the sapling gets strong before winter. These all trees are done. They are hollow and no longer bear fruit. Today I am replacing them with early, mid and late season varieties for a non-stop harvest. Prepare the hole in advance if you can. The depth should allow the root collar to sit a few centimeters above the ground.
The width?
Just enough so the roots don't bend upwards, with a small margin. Ideally mix the fertile soil with the wood ash and some superphosphate. But if you don't have this, don't worry. You can always add fertilizers later as the tree grows. I drive a stake into the hole first. This support will help the sapling stay straight and withstand the wind. Place the sapling in the center and spread the roots carefully. Make sure they point downwards. If they bend upwards, the tree will struggle to grow.
Watch the level of the root collar.
It must stay 3 to 5 centimeters above the soil surface after the ground settles. This is the most critical step. Fill the hole and tamp it down lightly to remove air pockets. Then pour 2 or 3 buckets of water. The old garden is gone, but the new one starts today.